how to set up and install your Wi-Fi bridge and door sensor kit. Your new Wi-Fi bridge and door sensor kit is simple and easy to set up, adding another level of security to your home in no time at all. Before you begin, you will need all the supplied parts, as well as a builder's pencil, drill, and 10mm drill bit. The door sensor is best installed with your Trilock. Please refer to the installation video for instructions on how to prepare your door. If your lock set is already installed, you will have to remove it prior to installing your door sensor. Use the template provided to mark and drill a 10mm hole in the side of the door. Insert the door sensor cable, extending it through the 54mm hole. Press the sensor housing into the hole until the front face is flush with the door edge. Connect the sensor cable to the main cable on the external furniture, ensuring the cables are tucked safely inside the 54mm hole, alongside the cylinder. Mark and drill a 10mm hole for the position magnet on the door jamb. Lastly, fit the magnet, ensuring it is flush with the edge of the door jamb, and you're finished. Now that you have installed your door sensor, set up the Gainsborough Freestyle app and Wi-Fi Bridge to enjoy on-the-go connection. Download the Freestyle app from your smartphone's app store. Plug in your Wi-Fi bridge and wait for the light to flash blue. Log in or sign up to the app, then go to Settings and add a new device. Follow the prompts to create or choose a property, name your lock, and connect to your Wi-Fi network. When setup is successful, your Wi-Fi bridge light will turn green and you're ready to go. Now you're free to enjoy the convenience and extra peace of mind that remote access can bring. For further information, such as lock installation or frequently asked questions, please consult your information guides or visit our website. Gainsborough. Enter with style.